Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Neff C1AMG84NOB microwave. And what I want to do today is to show you around the microwave some of the features and benefits that it offers. What I'll also do, as you can see, I've got it plugged in at the moment, so I'll be able to take you through some of the programs and different options that it offers. Just before I start, I'd normally say please subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give us a quick thumbs up. I always appreciate it if you subscribe, because what I do is I talk about different household appliances like these. I do specialise in cordless vacuums, and there's normally a bit of tech in there as well. As far as the dimensions on the microwave, it's just over 59 centimetres wide and 45 centimetres high. So just make sure that this is the right size for the aperture that you want. I know some people are buying this thinking it's the taller oven. As you can see, you might just be able to see the top of this. This is one of the Neff B57 models. We do loads of these. Although it does sit quite nicely above this oven, the actual design of it doesn't quite match. There are other models in the range, but as you can see here, it does look really good sat above it. As I open the door, first of all, the door itself is a really nice solid design. This is what I love about Neff products. It's not a lightweight door, it's got quite a good weight to it, which I love in premium quality products like this. As we go inside, this has got a 44 litre capacity. You'll see you've got the stainless steel finish on the inside. As far as the shelf inside, this is actually a two-way shelf. So first of all, you can have it that way round, or you can twist it round and have it that way round. And what that does is that's providing us with two different shelf positions from the one shelf. So that's a really, really good idea. Also, you've got a cheeky little LED light in the top here. Although it's only one light, it does provide nice illumination for the whole of the microwave. When it comes to the display here, we've got a really nice LED display, which is nice and clear, nice and easy to read. First of all, you've got the clock in the middle. So if I wanted to change the clock, then all you need to do is just press that button twice. Just rotate the dial on the right hand side here. And so if I wanted to move it on to say 9:30, just rotate the dial. And then once we've got it set at 9:30, press the button and that's it. So ever so easy. You will see here you've got these are retractable knobs, or pop-in pop-out controllers as we tend to call them. So it's nice and easy to clean. It's a nice smooth surface now. Now what I want to do is run through some of the program options that we've got. Now first of all, you've got the microwave selection. What you can do is you can select between 900, 600, 360 watts, 180 watts, and then 90 watts. And don't assume all the time that you have to put everything in the microwave on the very high wattage of 900 watts. I think what a lot of people do is they put, especially things like the ready meals on the very high wattages, and then they're quite surprised when it comes out and it doesn't taste that great. I mean, some ready meals are not going to taste great anyway. But I suppose what I'm getting at is if you try them at a lower wattage of say 600 watts, you could be surprised how much, how much better it tastes. Just to give you a quick rundown, so 900 watts is really designed for heating liquids. So if you did need to heat up your cup of coffee that's gone cold, you got distracted, then that's probably an ideal one to set it on. 600 watts is really used for heating and cooking food. 360 watts is really designed for cooking meat and fish or heating delicate foods. 180 watts is for defrosting food and continued cooking, and then 90 watts is really designed for defrosting delicate foods. And basically once you've selected which one you want, so if you wanted to put something on say 600 watts, you just use the right hand dial and just select how long you want it to be on for. So if you wanted it to be on for 8 minutes, then all you do is you press the start button there. Clearly I don't want it to be on for that time. I've not got anything in there at the moment. If you did want to pause it, then that's what I've just done. And then from there you can change the time, or if you just wanted to cancel the program, just turn it back to the up position. And the next option on here is the hot air, as they call it. This is basically cooking, and first of all, I'll just show you. So the temperature range on this is really, really good. First of all, it starts at 40 degrees. So if you are into bread making and if you wanted to have a proving option, then this is an ideal one for you. So to have this option on here where you can prove the bread is very useful. As far as the main oven, then what it will do is it starts at 100 degrees and it goes up in increments to 230 degrees. So you've got a wide range of temperatures, and they do go up in 5-degree increments. Quite a few ovens will only go up in 10-degree increments, and I know it doesn't sound too much, but sometimes it can make a difference, being able to set it at say 205 degrees. The next option on here, once you've selected that, then all you do is just press start, and then it will get up to temperature. If you wanted, you have got an option on here called rapid heat, and that will just help the microwave to get, or help the oven to get up to temperature a lot quicker. The next option on here is the hot air grilling, and this basically is the oven again, but it will combine with the grill as well. And all you do is you select the temperature again, so you can go up to 230 degrees, but what you can do is you can add the microwave onto it as well, and you've got the time on here, so you can select how long you want these on for. The next option on here is the plate warming. Again, like I said, because this is often used as a second item, then having the plate warming is a very useful addition. So it goes up from 30 degrees and goes up in 5-degree increments all the way up to 70. So if you're doing your Sunday roast and if your main oven is full and if you just want to warm the plates, then that's another good option. The next one is the grill. So you've got 3 options on here. So you've got low, medium and then high, and that's just the grill on its own. You can add the microwave if you want to. So if you're doing things like jacket potatoes where you wanted to use the microwave, then that could be a good option, but also having the grill on as well just to get the crispy skin, that's quite a good option. And then the next option on here is the automatic programs. Now on this model you've actually got 15 preset programs, and what these are designed to do is just make life a lot easier for you, rather than having to worry about times, because some people get quite concerned about how long things take to either microwave, defrost or cook. So what Neff have done is they've given us this option on here where you've got 15 preset programs. I'll just quickly run through these. And for the first 4 programs, these are designed for defrosting. So this one is for defrosting mincemeat. Program 2 is for pieces of meat. Program 3 is for chicken or chicken pieces. And then program 4 is for defrosting bread. Program 5, and so for the next 3 programs, these are 3 cooking programs. So program 5 is for rice, then we've got potatoes and vegetables on program 7. Program 8, so these are combination cooking programs. So these are for baking frozen items. You've got whole chicken, so if you wanted to cook a whole chicken, then program 9 is the best option for you. Now I must say I'm cheating a little bit. I am referring to the instructions for this. It's all listed in here. If you have followed me on YouTube for a while, then you will know I'm not a huge fan of instructions. But anyway, I'm referring to this just to hopefully provide you the correct information. As you go on to program 10, that's designed for medium sirloins. Program 11 is for pork neck joints. Program 12 is for medium lamb. Program 13 is for meatloaf, which I always quite enjoy. You've got whole fish on program 14, and then for the final program, program 15, we've got rice stew with fresh ingredients. So quite a diverse, quite a good range of different program options on here. So just to show you this, so once you've selected the program that you want, so for example, if I wanted to cook a meatloaf, then I'll select program 13. Then what you do is you press the weight, and what that will do is you can change the weight. So I like quite a big meatloaf, so I'm going to select 1.5 kilograms, that's the biggest I can select. And then from there, what it will do, just press start, and that knows that it will take just over an hour to cook. So that's 1 hour, 1 minute. If you're thinking of buying one of these models, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Now at this time of recording, these are actually in really short supply, so availability is not great in the UK. If you're watching this, say a couple of months after I've recorded it, recording this sort of early February, in 2022. But if you're watching this a little bit later, then hopefully availability is a bit better. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Neff C1AMG84NOB. Or I should have mentioned earlier that it actually covers the C1AMG83NOB. Basically the features and benefits are almost identical on the two models. If you have enjoyed it, all I'd normally say is please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up. I always ask for comments as well, whether you enjoyed the video, whether you didn't, just pop it in the comments. Also, if you have got any questions on the microwave, then again pop it in the comments, because I've got one on display. It's all set up so you can ask any questions and I'll try and get back to you. Also, if you have got one of these, then let me know what you think, because I'd always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.